Stunning, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. What I eat in a day. So I haven't been doing my usual beach walks because we had some terrible floods here in New South Wales, and the waters where I live at the beaches, we've had pumpkins on the beach, we've had full fridges turn up on the beach, they've had gas bottles, all sorts of strange things, and the water is really, really dirty. There's definitely been a lot of damage done. So many people lost their homes, and it's just terrible, but definitely can see that poor Mother Nature has been hit from that as well. So now I'm just doing my bay walk instead. So I'm trying to get in 3 litres of water a day, as I really notice a big difference in my skin when I do drink 3 litres of water. I tried to sort of give it some flavour by putting in some cucumbers that are cut up in lemon. Sometimes I put mint in from the garden, but it just helps me get the water down. It's nice and refreshing. If I have extra energy when I get home, I do try and do my little dancing workout, which I'll show you when I get home. But how stunning is this? I just had to show you where I come and do my walks. Isn't it beautiful? Such a gorgeous, gorgeous morning. So we get a lot of questions about how it affects my family when I eat the Equalution way. And today I just want to show you that it all works. So this is my workout that I do. It's on YouTube. This is what it's called. And I get really great results with it. There's a lot of that kind of movement that's there, but honestly, that is what's brought my abs back. I actually didn't have abs at all, but I've definitely, since I've been doing this, I'm really seeing a big difference in my abs, and I don't have to get on the ground. That's the main thing. I have a sore neck and back that re-inflames all the time. So this, being able to stand up and do exercises, I do get a sore knee as well. So this this class and all their classes are really, really good. Give it a go. Even if you incorporated this with some weights as well, or doing walks, I've really noticed a massive difference since doing this. So today we have a small oat milk coffee, a chia and cinnamon yogurt bowl, watermelon, a turmeric chicken salad, ham and avocado on cruskets, and a homemade pumpkin soup with bacon that's delicious, and a FroPro ice cream for dessert. Equalution has a new app and has the most awesome feature. It has its own grocery list, so you can now add in how many days you want to get the groceries for, and it moves it across for you. And then as you go along, you just cross things off. It's awesome. You have to check it out. So this is the ingredients for my delicious breakfast. It's the chia cinnamon yogurt fruit bowl. It is low FODMAP, which is great for my tummy and anyone else that has those issues, but also really delicious. So we've got the Food for Health chia and cinnamon fruit-free clusters. We've got, I was supposed to have the Danone ones, but I'm trying to use as much Aldi products as I can, as I really love Aldi. So this is the yogurt from Aldi, and it's, I believe, just as good. It's got lower carbs, and the protein is the same. So I'm gonna try those out. This is the Canadian maple syrup that you get from Aldi as well. Some cinnamon and strawberries. Very delicious. Okay, so for today's breakfast we're going to make chia cinnamon yogurt bowls. My husband and I are going to have these today, and it's part of the meal plan for this week. Yes.
Oh, nice.
She did it.
So how does it taste?
Delicious.
You like it? It's a nice way to start the day. These little clusters are so nice. They're really good, and I can't have oats, so this is going to be an awesome little new thing that I can have each day. And this is the cinnamon chia yogurt bowl. Tastes really good. Hubby loves it. Really lovely way to start the day. I've gotten changed into my comfy clothes, and it's my husband's and my 19th anniversary. We met on this day 19 years ago, and with some roses. So for snack number one, we get watermelon, and other people also like that in the house. So we've got 200 grams of watermelon for snack number one.
What a coincidence.
Is it a good piece? Yummy. So my little cameraman has disappeared to go and dry Teddy because he's had a nice big wash. He's such a fluff ball. I'll show you him here. Oh, look at this little fluff ball. He's having his hair done. He's had a nice wash. You're going to smell good, aren't you? So, do you like rice?
Yes.
Do you like chicken?
Yes.
Do you like salad stuff?
Yeah.
I think he's going to like it. It's going to be a winner. So here's the ingredients for the turmeric chicken salad. We've got ground turmeric, baby tomatoes, baby cucumbers, red onion, baby capsicum, basmati rice, chicken breast, also the baby spinach, and this lovely Praise Dijon mustard vinaigrette. So here is my awesome little rice cooker that I got from Kmart. And just turn that on and cook your rice. On the chicken, I've put the turmeric, lots of black pepper to activate the turmeric as well, and some pink Himalayan salt. So I've just got that in there, and then I'm going to brown each side and then pop it into the oven. 16, 17 minutes, I've pulled it out, and it's all cooked. And it will be nice and juicy as well because we cooked it in the oven, and look, no oil. And the rice is cooked. 50 grams is what you need, and then we have all the other ingredients ready to put together. And here is the turmeric chicken salad. I've got it a nice warm salad today because I've just made it fresh, but this would be so nice to take to work. You could just mix it all together and just eat it cold. It'd be lovely. And this is the dressing here. How good is this? Yum. Absolutely fresh, delicious, and so yum. The chicken's really tender after cooking it in the oven, and oh my god, so good. I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. Here is all we need for snack number 2. It is a avocado ham tomato crusket. Although I am trying these are the ones from Aldi. To me, they look like the same thing. I will need to scan them into the app to make sure that they have the same calories. I'll let you know. And then we went to Woolworths and got the 97% fat-free ham. It's a triple smoked one, avocado and tomato. This is such a good snack. Ham, avocado and tomato, and lots of pepper and salt on crustkets. Yum. So for dinner this week is homemade pumpkin soup, which is one of my favorite things. I actually saw that on Instagram, on the Equalution Instagram page, and I wrote to them straight away and was like, right, I need to have pumpkin soup. So that's what we're having. I'm going to make a nice big bulk amount, so that way we can easily just have it when we get home from work. I just keep seeing a little butterfly that just flies around the backyard, so cute. Yes, so I'm just going to make a big bulk amount, so then that way we can just reheat it. I don't know if the kids will eat it, so I might have to make different meals for them this week, but my husband and I will definitely love it. So here we go. There's this little butterfly that just keeps flying around our garden. It's so beautiful. I've just been seeing so many butterflies, and I always think of my mum when I see butterflies, so I feel like she's around. So these are the ingredients that you need to make the homemade pumpkin soup with bacon. So we've got shortcut bacon, a butternut pumpkin, thickened cream, a spud-light potatoes, the real stock in the vegetable, and I also chose the salt reduced version, and we're going to try the gluten-free bread. You can also have just normal bread if you wish. Yum, this is going to be good. The weather's gotten so much colder. Even though it's sunny, it is quite cold, so this is going to be beautiful. So when I showed you the ingredients for the homemade pumpkin soup, I did have a different gluten-free bread there. Please scrap that, don't use that one. That one actually, when I scanned it into the app, was double the calories. So this is the one that you want to use if you're using gluten-free bread. Otherwise, just use the bread of your choice. Okay, so the stock is boiling with the potatoes and pumpkin. Got the veggie real stock, and then I've got my little blender ready to go to blend it. I actually like my pumpkin soup quite thick. And then I've really finely diced the shortcut bacon, and I'm going to fry it for as long as I possibly can to get it as crispy as I can. It's hard without fat, but we'll see how we go. So I've just taken half the bacon out, as I think that will, instead of crowding the pan like I had before. So now we're just going to do the bacon in batches, and it's starting to crisp up. So that's probably the best way to do it. So it's all made, and let's plate it up. Okay, so here is our dinner. It's the homemade pumpkin soup with bacon and cream. Got the bread there. It tastes so good. I'm gonna love having this every night for dinner. But you could also switch it out and have it for lunch too. The perfect autumn dinner. So you're gonna try it?
No. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we're going to see if it passes the kids test.
So I will be the subject to taste it.
Yes, because my son just won't even try it.
A bit of bacon on there. Okay. Those are really nice.
So you'll have some too?
Yes, I will.
All right, it's just this kid. This one. But it's good.
Very delicious.
Yummy. And we've got our new video up that's just started. I've just put that up. It's our gnocchi video. Please make sure you check it out. We've made my husband's nonna's homemade gnocchi. It's really good, isn't it?
Yeah. That's so good. It's like clouds. Oh my god.
Yeah, so worth. You got to give that one a try. Okay, so this is my dessert. On the Equalution meal plan, it did say Pro chocolate ice cream in the tub, but when I saw how tiny the tub was, I just couldn't bring myself to spend $10 on it. So I decided to try out these ice cream sticks instead, and we'll see how we go. They look really good. So I'm All That Glitzer's mum's life, and I lost 7 kilos while doing Equalution. I hope that you really enjoyed seeing what I eat in a day. I have 27 other vlogs on this channel that shows all of my meal plans and everything that I ate. Also our fun sort of week in the life of our family as well. They're all linked. I'll link them down below. So if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe, as it really supports my very small little channel. I would really appreciate your help. And I'll have everything over on my Instagram. I'll have there's lots and lots of recipes over there, so please check that out. It's All That Glitters is Mum's Life. So I just want to say a huge thank you to my cameraman that helped me film all of this today. Thank you so much for all your help.
You're welcome.
I'm so glad that you like the soup and and all the other things as well. So love you.
Love you too.
Yay! Really? You really liked it?
I can't stop eating it.
Yay! You gonna try it?
No.
Why don't you just try it?
It literally tastes like mashed potato. No.
What can you say?
Only up to like here.
Okay, don't get my... I'll pick up a few things that are seen. Man, it scared me.
Don't you dare. Give the phone.
Look at me. Yeah. So 25 grams. Oh. 24. Ah. Well, that's what my husband said. That's okay. Hey. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Very comfy boy, doesn't like.
Oh.
Damn dry.
Hey.
That's his job for the day, just running around barking.
That's what we have to put up with. Hey, King Dingaling.
Oh my god. Join our family, please like and subscribe. Join our waffles.
1, 2, 3. Join our family. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.